haben gerade improvisiert. Unser neuester Song. 3 Sekunden Gitarre. Okay. Waking up, going out, working till the sun goes down. No more time for your life, friends are gone, you don't mind. Too much work, no more sleep, lie awake, counting sheep. Darkness crawls in your head, you despair, wish you're dead. We'd rather force the people to change to fit the system than change what is so evil that people just get sick. We'd rather force the people to change to fit the system, change what is so evil that people just get sick. Waking up another day, no more hope, no hooray, just a voice screaming out, match storm, raining cloud, making honey, where will I? Without money you will die. Match your wake up breakfast, full anxiety, pay your bill. We'd rather force the people to change to fit the system than change what is so evil that people just get sick. We'd rather force the people to change to fit the system than change what is so evil that people just get sick. Sick with panic, sick with sadness, darkness and anxiety. Don't be stupid, money's harmless, capital means jointly. Take the or forget the money, everything will be just fine. Why so sad, why so left, why you want to end your life? Cause everything in life costs bloody money, and if you don't have money you can't stay alive. So you're forced to work in this toxic system. You're nothing more but a mindless machine.